transcription. And here an onion, subtitles Negri. Cut here into half moons, subtitles Negri. It can be this way at this thickness. Leave it here in a bowl, and now let everything be loose. Just give it a little mix like this with your hand. It separates everything. Prepare our batter. For about 1 onion, 3 tablespoons of flour. If you run out, no problem, just make it on the spot. The same amount of cornstarch if you run out. That's what will make it crunchy. 1 teaspoon of paprika. It can be spicy, smoked, sweet, any kind. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. What does salt to taste mean? If you're using soy sauce, you don't need extra salt. Just mix it. And now let's add water. It doesn't need to be cold. Add it little by little. Mixing until it turns into a porridge. A somewhat thick porridge, more consistent. It can't be too thick or too runny. That's the consistency it needs to be. And now, a tip. Always put the onion here first and then the batter on top. Just put in what's necessary, a little bit. Mix it. Let the batter coat all the onions. No, that's too much batter as well. We want a tempura with just a little batter and more onion. Not that heavy tempura, full of batter. See here? And don't let it sit here, right? The onion together with the batter, because the onion will release water and then it will change the texture of the batter. Stirred it, now just fry. Right after, medium heat. Let's add it little by little. Just keep releasing it. Small portions. Once it's golden, just flip it. At this point, just remove it. And look how beautiful it turns out and super crispy. Small portions. Notice the difference with this one. It has less batter. Compared to this one, which has a lot of batter. So you can do it however you want. I actually prefer it this way. And it doesn't end up as that tempura soaked in oil. You can serve it as a side dish or even as an appetizer with a cold beer. Very good.